Let's draw this from the beginning. Snowflake table data is managed separately from the virtual warehouses that execute queries and data loading work. A table is not locked to one permanent compute cluster. Use 3 landmarks: shared table storage, separate compute, and connect when work arrives. The connection between them is the important part. A virtual warehouse is a cluster of compute resources. Queries submitted to that warehouse use its CPU, memory, and local cache. Use 3 landmarks. Choose a warehouse, run query operators, and use warehouse cache. The connection between them is the important part. Analytics, loading, and data science can use separate warehouses while reading the same governed tables. Heavy work in one warehouse is isolated from compute in another. Use 3 landmarks: loading warehouse, BI warehouse, and same shared data. The connection between them is the important part. Increasing warehouse size adds compute resources for a workload. It can speed operations that benefit from more parallelism or memory, but it also changes credit consumption. Follow the sketch from scale up, through more compute, and finally to measure cost and speed. Multi-cluster warehouses can add clusters when many queries arrive, reducing queuing. This addresses concurrent demand rather than making one single query automatically use every cluster. A small example is enough. Start at many queries, ask what changes at additional clusters, and check why we reach reduce queue time. A warehouse can suspend when idle and resume for new work. Suspending saves compute credits, but its local cache is dropped and must warm again after resume. On the page, begin with idle warehouse. Move to auto suspend. The result is resume with cold cache. Snowflake storage is a shared library. Virtual warehouses are independent reading rooms with their own staff and desk space. Close a room to save cost. Open or enlarge rooms when demand grows. A small example is enough. Start at shared storage. Ask what changes at independent compute rooms, and check why we reach size for one workload. That is the picture to keep when you meet this system in practice.